Slide right into the fast lane of knowledge where zero meets expert in a thrilling 60-second ride. Buckle up as we shift gears and speed through the world of cars. Ever wondered why some cars purr while others roar? That's the magic of engines, from the compact four-cylinders to the mighty V12s. They're the heart of every vehicle, pumping power to the wheels. Next, we zoom into transmissions. Manual or automatic, they're all about control and speed, dictating how your car responds to every twist and turn. Now let's not forget the unsung heroes. Tires, all-season summer, winter performance. Each serves a unique purpose, gripping the road and keeping you safe. Lastly, the all-important fuel. Gasoline, diesel, electric, each has its own advantages, powering our journeys near and far. And there you have it, engines, transmissions, tires, fuel, the very essence of every car. From zero to car expert, all in the blink of an eye. Keep riding the highway of knowledge and you'll be a car guru in no time. Keep this loop going and the road to expertise is just a ride away.